Hello everybody, today I'm making a spicy fried yuca and I'm gonna start with the ingredients. Over here I have 4 pounds of yuca and you can use the fresh one or you can use the frozen one, either one is good. And over here I have a little bunch of cilantro. If you don't find cilantro, you can always use a little bunch of cilantro. 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon and 1 teaspoon of sazon with saffron. And this one is the one that I'm using, but you can use any brand you want. And we're going to be using the cayenne pepper too, is this one. So I'm going to be starting by cooking the yuca. So I already have the water here and it's already hot. So I'm going to put the cilantro and the spices. And you see how the water is changing color with the saffron. And now it's time for the yuca. So we're gonna put all the yuca here. Always try to use enough water for the yuca. Now that we put all the yuca in there, now we're gonna cover, okay? Okay, the yuca is looking like this. If you see the color, it looks real nice. We're gonna give it a couple minutes more and then we're gonna turn it off. When the yuca is already soft, it's because it's already done. So we're gonna give it a little more minutes more, okay? So I'm gonna cover and leave it there for another couple minutes, okay? Okay, so we're gonna check if the yuca is already done. And if you can see, our yuca is already soft. So we're gonna turn it off and we're gonna start cutting it so we can start frying it, okay? So I'm gonna turn it off now. And I'm gonna remove the yuca to another container. And it only takes like 30 minutes, okay? Depending on the yuca, if it's not too hard, it cooks real fast, like a potato. This is all the yuca that we got. We're gonna let it cool down a little bit and then we start frying, okay? Okay, now we're gonna start cutting the yuca before we fry it. So try to take this from the middle part. And I'm not gonna cut the pieces too small. I don't want them too small or too big. And when they're already fried and we put salt and the spicy pepper, they taste real good. So I'm just gonna cut all the yuca like this, okay? And the pieces are like this, okay? So I finished cutting most of the yuca. I leave little pieces for another recipe. So I'm gonna start frying the yuca, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna keep on frying in here. I already fry a couple. And this is kind of addicted. Once you start eating one, you want more and more. So we let them cook in there. So let me finish the rest. Put this one here. We end up having a lot. Now we're gonna turn the yuca over because we want it to get nice and crispy on both sides. Okay, so pretty soon it's gonna be done. Finishing frying the last ones and then we're done, okay? Okay, now we finish our fried yuca. So now I'm gonna put it in this container so we can put salt and we can put the hot chile in it. So I'm gonna put salt and salt to the taste. And now we're going with the hot pepper. And hot pepper to the taste, but it tastes real good when it's a little spicy. Right there. So mix it. And I'm gonna put a little more because we like them spicy. And these yuca fries are real good. They can replace your fries. Let's see, nice and spicy. And we mix. And they're ready to eat. Taste one. Nice and crunchy. It's real good. And now I'm gonna put them in a serving plate. And with the fried yuca and the plantains, you gotta eat them at the moment because if you eat them the next day, they're not gonna be crunchy anymore. So our yuca is real good and spicy. This is how our spicy fried yuca looks. It's real easy recipe and it doesn't have a lot of ingredients and it doesn't take you too long to do it. And it's a nice replacement for fries. Try to eat them at the moment because, if you try to eat them the next day, they're not going to be that crispy and good, okay? As you can see, I combine my yuca fries with a burger, but you can combine them with anything you want. This is a mushroom burger, and you can also eat them by themselves with ketchup, your choice, or with any kind of meat on the side. So I hope you enjoy my recipe and thank you for watching all my videos. Like and subscribe.